Salut tout le monde, jodi an nou pral parler de verbe être ou verb to be ak kontraksyon ke li genyen. Kounya, an fè fraz negatif ak verb être la ou negative statements with the verb to be. I am not. I'm not. You are not. You're not. He is not. He's not. She is not. She's not. It is not. It's not. We are not. We're not. You are not. You're not. They are not. They're not.
Si vous regardez bien, nak lan vin nt. Donc, si vous pa vle di you're not, ou ka di you aren't, she's not, she isn't, he's not, he isn't, it's not, it isn't, we're not, we aren't, you're not, you aren't, they're not, they aren't.
Pou pratike nap di, I'm not a doctor. You are not a teacher. She is not a student. He is not a painter. It is not a dog. We are not the singers. You are not the students. They are not the painters. Uno ka di, I'm not a doctor. You aren't a teacher. She isn't a student. He isn't a painter. It isn't a dog. We aren't the singers. You aren't the students. They aren't the painters. Eh bien, merci tout le monde. Ça, c'était toute leçon pour aujourd'hui. Comme devoir, ou bien pour étudier mon vocabulaire ça et essayer de faire phrase avec eux pendant que vous utilisez verbe être. Bye!